Have you ever wondered, how many hours do you spend scrolling through social media each day? Or why, every time you pick up your phone, you get sucked into a never-ending vortex? Trust me, you're not alone. But is social media connecting you or secretly controlling you? Today, in the 20s Survival Kit, we're diving into a topic we've all been trapped by at least once: social media overuse. Don't worry, I'm not here to make you delete Instagram or TikTok. Let's figure out how to use social media smarter, so it serves you, not the other way around. And if you find this video helpful, please like to spread positive vibes. In your 20s, we're living in an era where social media is practically unavoidable. Instagram for perfect pics, TikTok for funny videos, Twitter, X now, for the latest drama. But did you know the average young American spends about 3 to 4 hours a day on social media? That's over 1,200 hours a year, equivalent to 50 straight days doing nothing but scrolling. 50 days. You could learn a new language, hit the gym for a killer physique, or catch up on sleep from those late-night Netflix binges. But seriously, social media isn't the enemy. It's an amazing tool for connection, learning, and entertainment. The problem comes when it takes up too much of your time and energy, quietly affecting your mental health, productivity, and real-life relationships. In this episode, we'll explore: what is social media overuse? Why is it so easy to get hooked? And most importantly, how can you break free from the spiral while still enjoying the good stuff social media offers? If you want to keep rocking your 20s, hit that subscribe button so you don't miss any tips. First, let's clear things up. Overusing social media doesn't just mean you're on it too much. It's when you feel like you can't control your usage, when you're scrolling mindlessly, or when you get anxious or stressed without checking notifications. Sound familiar? I bet you've been there. You open Instagram to check your bestie's story, but 30 minutes later, you're watching a cat dance to K-pop. Or you hop on X for news, but end up arguing with a stranger about whether bubble tea beats coffee. Am I right? Scientists say social media is designed to keep you hooked as long as possible. Every like, comment, and notification triggers a chemical in your brain called dopamine, the stuff that makes you feel happy and satisfied. The catch? Dopamine is like candy. Tasty, but too much isn't great for you. Tech companies use algorithms to keep suggesting new content, making it nearly impossible to stop scrolling. It's not your fault. It's how they built it. So, how do you know if you're overdoing it with social media? Here are a few signs I bet you'll recognize. Ask yourself these. You check your phone first thing in the morning. Before your eyes are even fully open, you're grabbing your phone to check Instagram or X. Trust me, your brain needs a coffee more than a flood of notifications at 6 a.m. You feel anxious without your phone. Ever feel restless when you leave your phone at home? Or when the battery dies and you don't have a charger, it feels like the world's ending? That's a sign you're relying on social media too much. You compare yourself to others. Social media is where people show off their highlight reels. But when you start comparing your life to those perfectly edited photos, it's easy to feel insecure or not good enough. Time slips away without you noticing. You plan to scroll TikTok for 10 minutes, but when you look up, it's dark outside. If you're constantly losing time like this, that's a big red flag. If you're nodding along to any of these, welcome to the club. But don't worry, recognizing the problem is the first step to fixing it. And if you're nodding, please like to spread the positive vibes. Overusing social media doesn't just waste your time. It affects more parts of your life than you might realize. Mental health. Studies show excessive social media use is linked to anxiety, depression, and feelings of loneliness. When you're constantly comparing yourself to others or chasing likes, it's easy to feel pressured and lose confidence. Productivity. If you're trying to finish homework or work but check your phone every 5 minutes, social media is stealing your productivity. Research says every distraction takes an average of 23 minutes to refocus. Real relationships. Ever been with friends or family, but everyone's glued to their phones? Social media can make you miss out on meaningful real-life moments. Sleep. The blue light from your phone screen reduces melatonin, the hormone that helps you sleep. If you're scrolling before bed, your brain struggles to relax, and you wake up exhausted. It sounds a bit scary, but the good news is you can change it. Social media isn't the problem. It's how we use it. And that's why we're here today. All right, now for the fun part. How do you use social media smartly, so it serves you instead of controlling you? Here are 5 tips I've tried and found super effective. Set time limits. Most phones have tools to track your usage. Set a limit, like 1 to 2 hours a day for social media. When time's up, turn off notifications and focus on something else. Trust me, the world won't end if you skip X for a few hours. Create a phone-free morning routine. Instead of scrolling right when you wake up, try spending the first 30 minutes doing something for yourself. Exercise, journal, or just sip some lemon water. Your brain will thank you. Clean up your feed. Unfollow accounts that make you feel pressured or insecure. Instead, follow people who inspire you or pages that share knowledge for more awesome tips. Try a digital detox. Pick 1 day a week to go completely social media free. It might feel tough at first, but you'll be amazed at how much time you have for reading, walking, or chatting with friends. Find joy off-screen. Try a new hobby. Painting, cooking, sports, or even learning those TikTok dances you love watching. When you're busy with fun stuff in real life, you'll feel less need to scroll. And if you still want to watch that K-pop dancing cat video, schedule it. But just 10 minutes, okay? Don't let that cat steal your whole day. Your 20s are the time to explore, learn, and build the best version of yourself. Social media can be an awesome friend, but only if you know how to take charge of it. Today, try one of the tips I shared. Maybe set a time limit, or put your phone down and take a walk. You'll notice a difference right away. If this video sparked some inspiration, please like to spread positive vibes. And don't forget to hit subscribe and turn on notifications so you never miss an episode of the 20s Survival Kit. We've got tons more cool tips to explore together. Oh, and drop a comment below. How much time do you spend on social media each day? And do you have any tricks to avoid getting sucked in? I'm dying to know.